So the first group for today is the Cloud Storage Technical Working Group.
Sure, this is David Slick speaking. Gregory is unable to attend, so I will be presenting today. So I'm the co-chair of the Cloud Storage Technical Working Group. The Cloud Storage Technical Working Group acts as the primary technical entity for SNIA to identify, develop, and coordinate system standards for cloud storage. We have produced a comprehensive set of standardization around cloud data management, and we've also been working on other areas around interface standards and other cloud storage related efforts. The primary standard that we worked on for cloud data management is the Cloud Data Management Interface, or CDMI. We are also doing some interoperability work around cloud data access protocols, which is new for 2024. And we are looking at facilitating implementation compatibility and interoperability and looking at some PlugFest type activities. We'll get into that in a little more detail on a subsequent slide. So to jump into some of the recently completed work in the last year, CDMI is a relatively mature standard, so vendors will come in and request enhancements to it. One of the enhancements that we worked on last year is around data validation. So the ability to specify how, when data is stored into a cloud, how you can specify validation to be performed on that data as part of accepting it. We also did a Bright Talk in conjunction with CSTI around using CDMI for namespace management, and that's up on the web for anyone who's interested in looking at that. And we spent some time looking at a new focus area around object storage interoperability. So next slide. Okay, so in 2024, our work items looking forward, we have a number of other vendor extensions that various groups have brought to the technical working group. One of these is related to using CDMI for managing S3 buckets, exporting from your namespaces in S3 protocol, and some work around container data duality. This is where you want to look at a container as having data and looking at data as being a container. In addition, we have some updates to the CDMI spec. A bit of errata has accumulated. We want to spend some time looking at problem details, guidance for how to clearly indicate when something goes wrong, and helping some of the developers by putting together a more formal open API spec. We're also working on facilitating collaboration and knowledge sharing among object storage developers and organizing a interoperability PlugFest that's planned to be co-located with SDC 2024. With respect to the collaboration among other SNIA groups, so we work with CSTI on various joint projects and Bright Talk webinars, and we work with the Security Technical Working Group to make sure that all the challenges around storing your data in the cloud, that we're helping provide guidance, and the standards work we do take security into account. Very important topic. Finally, with respect to external group collaborations, we've been doing a little bit of work with IETF. They've been doing some work around standardizing multi-part uploads and resumable uploads, and we'd like to see CDMI be consistent and take advantage of that standardization work. And we've also been doing some work with ISO around multi-cloud management and data storage as a service. Next slide. So with respect to our membership, we have 30 new members in 2023, which is up from 14 new members in 2022. Our TWG membership, we have 92 individual members representing 26 companies, and some of the companies that are actively participating in the TWG over the last year are as shown. Okay, so please come and get involved. What we are hoping to enhance interoperability across different object storage platforms, same with compatibility. We work with cloud storage system vendors, object storage vendors, and other people who are interested in how data is stored and managed in the cloud. And this is a great opportunity to get involved and help shape some of the industry standards and where the direction of the industry is going. So if anyone is interested, please contact myself, David Slick, or my co-chair, Gregory, and we'll be happy to provide you more information.